Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Clawdbot on Proxmox. First, about the Proxmox web user interface and create a new virtual machine. Choose Ubuntu 22.04 long-term support as the operating system. Then allocate CPU, RAM, and disk space according to your needs. You can also add an SSH key, which is optional but recommended for secure access. After creating the virtual machine, start it and connect via SSH by typing SSH space root at VM_IP_address and press enter. Next, update the virtual machine. In the terminal, type apt space update space ampersand space apt space upgrade space -y, then press enter. These will update all installed packages to the latest version. Now install the required dependencies. Type apt space install space git space -y and press enter. Then type curl space -fssl space http://dab.nodesource.com/setup_its.x space pipe space bash space dash and press enter. After that, type apt space install space -y space node.js and press enter to install node.js. After installing dependencies, clone the Clawdbot repository. Type git space clone space http://github.com/username/clawdbot.git and press enter. Then navigate into the project folder by typing cd space Clawdbot and pressing enter. Install the required node.js packages by typing npm space install space nano.env and press enter. Now add your environment variables, open the environment file and enter pod_token, database_URL and port. After adding the values, save the file and exit. Next, start the bot by typing node space index.js and press enter. To keep the bot running continuously, install PM2 globally by typing npm space install space -g space p2 and press enter. Then, type PM2 space start space index.js space -- name space Clawdbot and press enter. Finally, type PM2 space save space PM2 space startup and press enter to ensure the bot starts automatically after a reboot. Your Clawdbot is now running continuously on your Proxmox virtual machine. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.